Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today. So the Dow Jones had a much better run than what the S&P had. I think the S&P was influenced by the tech stocks that were getting hammered in the Nasdaq, and Nasdaq did manage to recover slightly, but it's still not looking all that rosy. So this channel that we had yesterday, I suppose that's null and void now. That's gone. We have broken that channel to the upside. What you will find though is that top line will become support. Okay, this bottom area here we can move up. So I'm just moving up to my fractal levels here. Okay, we closed on an all-time high, which is, just double check that before yes, we did. Okay, so we closed on an all-time high at the moment, and we had a little bit of a pullback onto structure and then a rally again. So there is a lot of political chaos happening in the US at the moment, so we just need to sit patiently and actually wait for that to complete itself. Then you've also got the jobs number coming out this week. So we've got non-farm payrolls on Friday, and then today we've got the normal jobs number coming out. So it's the forecast not looking great for the jobs number, so I think that's going to impact the market somewhat, but with the Democrats holding the Senate and promising to push through a $2,000 stimulus check, that may actually offset that data quite a bit, I think. So anyway, for me, I'm looking for longs, always have been. This has been a pretty clear break of the structure, but the other thing that we just need to bear in mind is if we do that, there's two ways of doing that. So firstly, that could be the channel. The second way could be that was the channel, and now we're breaking the channel to the upside. And obviously the third one is this triangle that we've got here as well. So I'm just going to do this basically. I'm going to take that structure there and take that as my measured move. The reason for that is that'll handle the channel break to the upside, and it'll also handle the triangle as the first target. Then the second one is going to be a complete measured move of this, and that's more of a long-term target. Okay, so if I come down to the hour, we've got it really messy at the moment, but anyway, so first retest has kind of happened last night. We're flirting with a double top at the moment, so I would like to see a retest of 38.24. I don't know if that's going to happen. The second thing would be a deeper pullback back onto 36.29 and on the top of this channel onto this trend line here. So there's two channel intersects here, so somewhere in this area, that's 3,700. So that would be a good area to look at as well. Look at the moving averages pointing straight up. So the trend is very strong to the upside. Could be a bit of a concern about this double top. That would bring us back down to the bottom of this channel. Okay, so that's the other thing that you need to bear in mind. So for me, any pullback, just got to watch it carefully, and I do that on the 15 or 20 minute charts just to see what's transpiring. We start getting some bullish price action in with that time frame, and really we'll just jump in with stop below the swing lows here. The other thing that I'd be looking for today is a break of 3100. I've got 31020 here. Get a break and a retest of that. That's going to give me an opportunity to be long and a really tight stop just below the retest. So those are the scenarios that we have on the cards at the moment. Just bear in mind we're at an all-time high, so there's nothing really above it to stop it. So you need to start looking for structures and structure breaks. This massive move down, massive move up, which is just confusion, is probably going to skew the view a little bit, but that's my view at the moment. So the DAX is looking very interesting, and the Dow does follow the DAX in the morning, sort of up until midday European time, and then start taking its own course or its own path. So that's, yeah, I think that's it for me. That's what I'm looking for. Looking for longs and want to be long off pullback. So first one would be 30824. Next one would be 30629. Bear in mind, you just need to watch out for these fractals here. It may also impact it. I don't think it's going to happen today though. The other one is a break and retest of 31020. Okay, your first target is 31279, and your longer term target is all the way up here at 32792. But that's not going to happen in a day. But these ones, this one here will definitely happen, and you get a pullback and a break and a retest and structure, and then you start looking for the next patterns. Okay, anyway guys, that's it for me today. Don't forget to dislike the video. If you don't like it, I need feedback. I appreciate, so I know what to do. And if you haven't subscribe. We do this every single morning. We push out 4 videos helping you just understand what's happening in the market and hopefully give you some decent entries as well. Anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we will catch you later. Cheers for now.